The mole can get a bad rap as being a difficult to understand unit of chemistry. Hello, my name is Sally Rocks, and I'm a chemistry professor here at UVU. And today I'm going to talk to you about the mole. So the mole can get a bad rap as being a difficult to understand unit of chemistry, but it may not be as hard as you think. And that's because you already know about a unit very similar to the mole, and that's a dozen. So when you go to the grocery store and you buy a dozen eggs, maybe you buy a dozen donuts, how many do you have? 12, because a dozen means 12. Well, in chemistry, we like to group things just like you do with a dozen, but we're talking about atoms, and atoms are so small that we need to talk about them in mass with big numbers. And so a mole is a way to do that. 1 mole of something is equal to Avogadro's number of that thing, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. So if I have a mole of atoms, I have an Avogadro's number of those atoms. Just like if you have a dozen donuts, you have 12 donuts. So a mole is just like a dozen, and if you can remember that, it will help you use them in your classes.